Hello, everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into one of the most intense comparisons shaping the global military balance, Israel vs China, in the race for air power dominance by 2025. These two nations, though vastly different in size and strategy, have rapidly developed cutting-edge air forces that represent the future of aerial warfare. The question is, whose skies will reign supreme? To understand this competition, we need to look beyond the surface. China has the world's third largest air force, with thousands of aircraft ranging from stealth fighters to bombers. Israel, on the other hand, has one of the smallest but most advanced and combat-proven air fleets on Earth. While China focuses on scale and mass production, Israel focuses on quality, precision, and technological superiority. Both philosophies are transforming the way air wars are fought in the 21st century. Let's begin with China. Over the last decade, Beijing has aggressively modernized its air force, the People's Liberation Army Air Force, or PLAF. The crown jewel of this modernization is the Chengdu J-20 Mighty Dragon, China's first stealth fighter designed to rival the American F-22 Raptor and F-35 Lightning Roman II. The J-20 combines stealth, long-range sensors, and powerful engines to dominate both air-to-air and air-to-ground missions. By 2025, China aims to deploy over 200 J-20s, giving it one of the largest stealth fleets in the world. But China's ambitions go further. It's also developing the J-31, a carrier-capable stealth fighter that could soon rival the U.S. Navy's F-35C. Combined with modernized H-6K bombers and advanced AW&C aircraft, China's aerial command structure is expanding rapidly. The goal is clear: to create a multi-layered air dominance network that covers the South China Sea, Taiwan Strait, and beyond. Israel, however, takes a completely different approach. With limited geography but immense threat exposure, Israel has built an air force designed for survival and total control of its airspace. The Israeli Air Force, or IAF, may operate fewer aircraft, but every jet, every drone, and every pilot is among the best in the world. By 2025, Israel's backbone remains the F-35I Adir, a customized version of the U.S. F-35 stealth fighter tailored to Israel's combat environment. The F-35I integrates Israeli-made electronic warfare systems, advanced sensors, and custom mission software, something no other F-35 operator has. These modifications allow Israel to conduct electronic attacks, cyber operations, and precision strikes deep inside enemy territory with complete stealth. The Adir has already flown thousands of real combat sorties in Syria, Gaza, and Lebanon, making Israel the only country to use stealth fighters in actual warfare. China's combat experience, by contrast, remains limited. Most of its new jets, including the J-20 and J-31, have never been tested in real battle. However, China compensates with sheer numbers, expanding its pilot training, investing in air-based flight simulations, and improving aerial command networks. Its drone development, led by the Wing Lung and CH series UAV, has made China a top exporter of combat drones worldwide. Israel, too, leads in unmanned aerial technology. The Heron TP, Harop loitering munition, and Iton UAV have given Israel unmatched surveillance and strike capabilities. Israeli drones are famous for their reliability, stealth, and precision. They've been battle-tested in dozens of conflicts, and their data-sharing systems now integrate seamlessly with the F-35I fleet. By 2025, Israel's air power is defined not by the number of aircraft, but by its ability to integrate technology, sensors, radar, cyber defense, and artificial intelligence into a unified network. Every pilot and drone is connected through an AI-based command and control system that processes battlefield data in real time. This digital fusion allows Israel to identify, track, and destroy threats faster than any opponent. China is also building something similar, a concept known as System of Systems Warfare. Using its Beidou satellite network, AI surveillance, and long-range radars, the Chinese Air Force aims to fight as part of a massive, data-linked ecosystem. Each aircraft, drone, and missile works in coordination, guided by centralized AI analysis. This is the future of warfare: machine-guided, data-driven, and autonomous. When it comes to air defense, both countries have made major advances. China's HQ-9 and S-400 systems provide long-range coverage across its coastline. Israel, on the other hand, has the Iron Dome, David Sling, and Arrow systems, forming the most layered air defense network in the world. By 2025, Israel's SEAD, the naval version of Iron Dome, and its new laser defense system, Iron Beam, will make it almost impossible for enemy aircraft or missiles to penetrate its skies. In terms of strategy, Israel focuses on preemptive and precision warfare. The IAF doctrine is built around striking first, striking fast, and neutralizing threats before they escalate. Israel's small size means there is no room for prolonged conflict. Every sortie must achieve maximum effect. China's doctrine is the opposite: endurance and saturation. It believes in wearing down its opponent through overwhelming force, multiple strike waves, and continuous pressure. Both air forces rely heavily on electronic warfare. Israel's electronic attack aircraft can jam enemy radar, blind missile guidance systems, and disrupt communications. Its advanced ESA radars can even map out terrain and targets under heavy electronic interference. China's J-16D, a specialized electronic warfare variant, performs similar missions, equipped with powerful jamming pods and sensor suites. By 2025, drone swarms will become a defining factor in air combat. Israel is already deploying AI-controlled drone formations that can identify and attack targets autonomously. China, too, has demonstrated drone swarm technologies capable of overwhelming enemy defenses through coordinated attacks. This race for AI autonomy will redefine the next generation of air battles. When comparing stealth technology, Israel's F-35I still holds a decisive edge in proven capability. The jet's ability to share combat data and operate undetected is unmatched. China's J-20 may rival it in radar cross-section, but it still faces challenges in engine performance, stealth coating durability, and software integration. While China is catching up fast, Israel's combat-tested edge remains unshaken. Another critical factor is pilot training. Israeli pilots undergo some of the most rigorous training regimens in the world, with a focus on real combat adaptability. They regularly train in simulated environments that mirror potential Iranian, Syrian, or Lebanese air defenses. Chinese pilots, on the other hand, are improving rapidly, but most of their experience remains limited to training exercises and simulations. Cyber warfare also defines this rivalry. Israel's Unit 8200 is one of the most advanced cyber divisions globally. It can disrupt radar systems, hack communications, and feed false data to enemy sensors. China's cyber units are equally vast and aggressive, focusing on both offensive and defensive operations. The race for digital supremacy between these two powers is already well underway. By 2025, both countries aim to achieve what militaries call air information superiority, total awareness and control over the skies through real-time intelligence. Israel's compact geography gives it an edge in maintaining this control, while China's massive scale allows it to project power across regions. Both models have strengths, but Israel's integrated command systems make it faster and more flexible. Israel's partnership with the U.S. and NATO further enhances its advantage. Access to American F-35 upgrades, joint intelligence sharing, and shared research give the IAF constant exposure to cutting-edge innovation. China, meanwhile, relies on indigenous development and reverse engineering, making progress slower but more independent. The future battlefield will not just be about who has more jets, it will be about who has smarter systems. Israel's fusion of manned and unmanned assets, combined with AI and laser defense, creates an adaptive war network. China's vast manufacturing capacity and growing technological base make it capable of fielding an enormous air fleet, but without battle experience, its edge remains theoretical. Ultimately, by 2025, Israel's air power represents precision, agility, and real-world combat readiness. China's represents expansion, ambition, and strategic projection. One is a scalpel small but deadly accurate. The other is a hammer vast and powerful but still learning finesse. Whichever model dominates the skies in the future, one thing is certain: both Israel and China are reshaping the very definition of air superiority. The world's next great air war won't be decided by size alone. It will be decided by intelligence, speed, and innovation.